I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to return leased equipment. First, open your in-game shop menu. You'll find this accessible from your main interface. Once inside the shop, look for the Leased Vehicles tab. This section lists all the equipment you currently have on lease. Simply select the particular item you wish to return to begin the process. After selecting the equipment, the game will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's crucial to pay attention here, as there might be a small return fee or penalty involved. The game will always display the exact amount that will be deducted from your account before you commit. Make sure you're comfortable with this cost before proceeding to the next step. Once you confirm, the leased equipment is instantly removed from your farm and your inventory. The lease contract for that particular item is officially terminated, meaning you no longer incur daily leasing costs for it. The specified return fee, if any, will be deducted from your in-game bank account, completing the transaction smoothly and efficiently. Before returning, always ensure the equipment isn't attached to another vehicle or actively being used. Also, remember that you cannot return damaged equipment. You must repair it first. Returning items is a great way to manage your finances, especially if you no longer need a specific tool, helping you save on daily lease payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.